Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kits that I'm planning to use for March 2024. So for March, there are 4 weeks that are predominantly in the month. It's kind of funny that that's like a longer month than February, but February had 5 weeks predominantly in the month. Whatever, it's just how the days fell. So the first week that is predominantly March is also fully in March, so it's March 4th through the 10th. So part of this week and part of the following week, I am going to be in Paris. So I wanted to use some Paris kits. So this kit is from Life with Mayra. It's called Girly Paris. I just printed the first page. I feel like this covers the stuff that I most need to be able to set up a kit. And then I will pull in some extras from my stash to kind of go along with this, just to kind of fill in everything else that I might need. And I think it's going to turn out fun and cute. And it'll be nice to use, and I'm excited to have kind of some Paris themed stuff to be able to use for the week. So for the next week, again, part of the week I'll be in Paris, so that's March 11th through the 17th. So this is a kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Bonjour, and again, very Paris. Eiffel Tower, bicycles and flowers. I feel like those are very Parisian. The white striped shirt and black striped shirt says Bonjour. She's super cute. So excited to use this one as well. With these little Eiffel Tower washies, I can pull in some other washi, things like that, and then maybe use these as like sidebar pieces or something like that. Since I probably won't want a sidebar proper while I'm traveling and therefore not doing my regular stuff that I might track. For the third week, it's March 18th through the 24th. So this includes the first day of spring, which is March 20th, I believe, this year. Don't quote me on that. Google if you want to know. But the first day of spring is during this week. So I pulled the first page of the Planner One Love Hello Spring Kit. This is the version that does not have cut file with it because I don't ever use the cut file anyway. It's for silhouettes and I have a Cricut, but this really covers things that I'm going to need anyway, and you get like 2 extra boxes and stuff like that in this kind of layout. So printed this. It also lets me get that Hello Spring box, which will be really nice. And then some of these are tulips, which this week, a year ago, we were in Amsterdam and going to visit the tulips. So this is definitely really, really nice for reminiscing as well. And then finally, the last week is March 25th through the 31st. This has my birthday in that week. So I decided I wanted to just use something really fun and colorful for the week. Also, I wanted to pull in some foiling, which I feel like is always nice to be a little bit extra for my birthday week. So I have this really old sticker book kit by Sweet Kawaii Designs by Craftsmith. This is from Michael's. It's so old. I got it on clearance apparently. But I've had it for ages. It's not available anymore, but I really should just use it. But this is kind of like a lot of like sarcastic, kind of funny sayings. It's hollow foil, I believe. Looks like it's hollow foil. So some cute functionals and boxes, more functionals and boxes, some headers. We end up with bottom washi, some of which is foiled. These little foiled, these guys. I think when I've used one of these kinds of kits before, I've used these little scallop headers as actually top headers, which I might end up doing again. And lots of icons, some hydration trackers, some more functional kinds of things. This page has the days of the week as headers, which is super helpful. More hydration trackers. I think there's enough for one for every day, actually. A weekend banner, some more boxes and stuff, another full box. And then this page gives you another full box and some more functional stuff and some washi strips, icons, things like that. And then another foiled page with some more miscellaneous stuff. So this will definitely be an unusual format for me to use, but I think it will cover pretty much everything that I need, so that'll be really nice, I think, to be able to use. And also, I just want to get things out of my stash and actually use them. So these are the 4 kits that I will be using in March. that's all I have for today. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which of these kits you're most excited to see me use, or let me know what kit you are most excited to use in March. I would love to hear about that as well. Or just leave me some sort of Paris related emoji if you just want to say hi. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads, including ones using all these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.